Hey, what's up guys? I'm back at Fiesta Island. Look, it's empty. So you know what that means. I'm going for another speed run. This time the ski's broken in, so should be able to hit those numbers. Let me make sure that GPS is on. Yeah, it looks like it's on. So let me just turn this music off so I don't get copyright. There we go. Oh no. All right, cool. Hopefully that doesn't get in any problems, but yeah. RXTX now fully broken in. Let's take it out. All right, we're in sport mode. Let's angle down a little. On the dash, baby. Man, I have almost a full tank and I'm hitting 76 on the dash. So you can tell with like a quarter of a tank or a third of a tank, this ski might hit 80. And again, this is bone stock with the exception of a SCOM. So if you're looking for speed, I can't recommend this ski enough. It's amazing. It chews through fuel or drinks fuel like crazy. I put it in and it had almost 200 minutes. And now I'm at 130. So, but yeah, it's good. at the people who just want to do 80 all day, but it's addicting. I don't really want to pour too much money into it, but you know, some more modifications to have it handle a little bit better. And but so far I'm enthralled with the speed. I love it. It's great. But yeah, I'm gonna do one more run here and then I'll end the video. Guys, thanks for watching. This is a 76 mile per hour ski per the dash. So yeah, awesome.